Page 65. Conversation. It's not real. Complete the conversation. Then, watch and check your answers. Practice the conversation with a partner.
Hey, Amy, check out this photo. Do you see that bear chasing the photographer? It's about 20 feet tall.
A 20-foot-tall bear, Adam? That's a fake photo.
I don't know. Bears can come in different sizes. Maybe this one is a giant bear, just like sometimes there are giant people.
There's Patrick. Look, Patrick, what do you think of that bear?
I've seen that photo before. Someone must have used software to make a regular bear seem bigger. It's not real, Adam.
How do you know for sure?
If it were real, there would be more evidence.
I don't know why anyone would post something like that.
They may have wanted it to go viral. It's a way to get attention.
Well, either way, I'm not camping in those woods.